Hi, I want to share a little bit about my experience studying Spanish with my teacher from Chilean Touch. She connects everything with real Chilean life and culture. It feels like I'm not only learning the language, but also learn about the country and its people. Her lessons are also very well organized. Every time we start, she already has slides or materials ready, so I never feel lost. Even though the classes are online, it feels like I'm in a real classroom. I can honestly say my Spanish has improved a lot since I started studying with her. What I love the most is her personality. She was gentle, supportive, and always smiling. I can feel that she genuinely cares about her students and wants them to succeed. So, if anyone is thinking about learning Spanish, especially Chilean Spanish, I would really recommend studying with her. She's not just a teacher, she's like a cultural guide who helps you understand the language in the most real and human ways possible.